Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Outdoorsman's Garage. Today we have wheel bearings and brakes to do on old girl back there. And I'm not really sure exactly what we'll show you or how much we'll show you, us doing, but all we gotta do is get started. Waiting for my buddy Kevin, and he's gonna tackle one side and I'm gonna do the other, so that way we get this old girl back on the road again pretty quick. Alright, so we started, and that down there, that's Kevin. That's my best friend. Say hi, Kevin.
What's up?
Yeah, we're getting it jacked up and trying to get these wheels off of there. I'll tell you what, these goddamn lug nuts, they're on there, boy. They don't want to come off. But oh god, he's starting to strip.
You know it.
But yeah, we're gonna get these wheels off, and we're gonna start tearing into these brakes. All right, so this rotor doesn't look too bad. The brakes are definitely, or the brake pads are definitely in need of replacement, but that's what we're here for. We're gonna get these things changed out and whatnot. Now the other side here, I'll take you over to the other side and you can check that one out. Alright, so this is the driver's side. It's definitely grooved up pretty good. I mean, it's terrible, but I don't have the money for new ones, and so we're just gonna have to figure something out with these. But this is the first brake replacement for this vehicle for me, so I don't know when the last guy did it last. Obviously it's been a long time, so I think they really abused the shit out of this truck whenever they had it. So it was probably one of those trucks that they didn't really care about. But anyway, we'll start tearing this shit apart.
Am I going the right way? I can't remember if they come all the way out or not.
I think they do. They should. If they're put together the same way the ones like on your truck are, they should just come right off. So yeah, we decided to use a socket Allen instead of a regular Allen, because a regular Allen would have been a pain in the ass. But anyway, let's continue. You'd just be able to pop it right out.
You would think.
Can't get no leverage.
Yeah. Is that the only pry bar you got?
There it goes. Alright, so this is the brake pads I got for this thing. There's your number, in case you're looking for some 1-ton brake pads for 90s GMC or Chevy. And this is what they look like right here. They're pretty nice pads. Hopefully they didn't screw up and give me the wrong fucking ones.
Fucking set and I'll fucking show you.
Alright, just chill out. We've got to show the people. Now these pads came from a place called Fast Undercar. They're usually pretty good, but Kevin here says that he had a problem where they gave him the wrong pads one time or something, or I don't know. Anytime that they've ever given me the right stuff, they've always lasted a long time, so that's why I went to them. But no, I don't order shit on Amazon and all that shit. I don't order car parts online, period, because usually when I need the car parts, I need them right away. I don't need them 3 or 4 days from now. I need them right now, you know. So usually the parts house I go. There we go. They're pretty good looking pads. Like I said, they last a long time. Or they should anyway. Alright guys, so I was going to close this video out and call it a day, and I realized that maybe I should give you guys a rundown of the list of parts that old girl back here needs. Okay, transmission cooler lines, wheel bearings, of course I'll have to replace the seals and all that when I do that. It needs a new rotor for the driver's side. Let's see what else. There's a lot. Upper A-arm bushings. I don't know if I can just replace the bushing or if I got to buy the whole damn arm assembly. I'm not really sure. I'll have to check into that. Let's see what else. I need to do spark plugs, spark plug wires. I need to do another oil change. I need to change the diff fluid, get that taken care of, because I don't know when the last time that was done, and this truck has 160,000 miles on it now. So yeah, I got to do things, you know, one piece at a time, I guess. You know, that's what happens when you live from paycheck to paycheck. So, you know, and that's just the joy of owning an old truck. Yes, I could go buy a new truck, but no, it would not have the style and good looks of this truck as far as the body style. I don't really like the new body styles of the trucks, so that's why I drive an old piece of shit truck. But anyway, yeah, that's the rundown on the list of stuff. The list of what this truck actually needs is getting smaller, but it is still a list, and you know, just take care of things one at a time. So there you go. All right, guys. So your girl's got new brakes. We still have to do wheel bearings. I need to get a new rotor for the driver's side, but I mean, that all takes money. But at least we got brakes right now, and you know, that's the way it goes. One thing at a time, I guess. Just add the rotor to the list. I notice I need new upper A-arm bushings. There's a little bit of play in those, so I'm gonna have to get that taken care of pretty quick. But yeah, I guess we're done for now. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. We love you. We'll catch you next time. And oh, you know, this wasn't really a how-to video. There's a lot of videos online on how to change the brakes on a 1-ton vehicle. So yeah, I mean, I'm not the best at doing the step-by-step type of stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys.